Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download and install Windows 10. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe Havix channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, if you are using Windows 11 or if you are using Windows 8, means you want to upgrade from Windows 8 to Windows 10 or Windows 11 to Windows 10, you can able to make it. So how to download freely and install? If you have your license, means easy to download and install Windows 10 in your laptop or desktop. So what I have to do, just go to Google Chrome and just type Windows 10. Once you type Windows 10, automatically it will direct you to the download Windows 10 disk ISO. Just click the button. I'll give the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the Microsoft.com Windows 10 download. So before updating this one, so if you want Windows 10 to be updated, for example, if you are using Windows 10 old version, means you can update. Just check whether your Windows 10 is updated or not. If it is not, means please update your Windows 10. Just click the update now, means Windows 10 November 2021 update will be there. Just click the update, means automatically your Windows 10 will be update over there. For example, your laptop has Windows 8, means you are eligible to install Windows 10. If your laptop has Windows 11, means you are eligible to install Windows 10. So Windows 10 will be easy to access. So how to download? Just scroll down, you will get option called download tool now. So for example, if you have your license key with your laptop or desktop, means just turn your laptop or desktop, you will get the license key. So your system will have automatically in Windows 10 license key. Just click the download now option. Automatically your media creation tool will be downloaded within a second, that is exe. So just double click on that. Automatically you will get a pop-up window called run. So once you run this button, automatically your Windows 10 will be going to install in your setup. So as you see here, so my Windows 10 setup is going to running over there. So getting few things to be ready. So once everything will be ready, means the setup will be start over there. So you can able to install Windows 10 in your laptop or desktop to continue work on your things. For example, if you have your Windows 10, you want to update your Windows 10, means just click here update now, means automatically you will get option called Windows 10 upgrade version will be exe will be open here over the website, so that you will get a Windows 10 upgraded. So that Windows 10, if you want to install from Windows 8 to Windows 10, means you can use this, or Windows 10 upgraded, you can use this options to get that. So both are in the official website Windows Microsoft has given there. So use this website and install your Windows 10, and applicable notice and license, you just give the accept and you just click next option, means automatically your Windows 11 will be uninstalled and Windows 10 will be installed in your laptop. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my Havix channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.